Hi students, welcome to today's online class. Today we are going to learn about next application of e-commerce, that is e-advertising. What is advertising actually? Before days means before the internet come, how advertising taken place? By distributing pamphlets or by boardings, displaying boardings in a physical manner. Advertisement has done. Okay. Now, what is e-advertising? E-advertising means electronic advertising, which means the advertising over the internet. If you see, internet advertising is a form of promotion that uses the internet to deliver marketing message to prospective customers. Okay, what is e-advertising? Internet advertising is a form of promotion that uses the internet to deliver marketing message to prospective customers. And also we can say it defines internet marketing as the promotion of products and services over the internet. Online advertising is just a part of online marketing. Okay, advertising is a part of marketing, right? Whereas online marketing is a huge concept, e-advertising is one of the part in the e-marketing. Okay, now what are the, if you see, e-advertising, internet advertising is more budget friendly. Means we no need to have much budget for our advertising. Just we can have some mobile phones or a desktop computer and internet connection and some applications which are useful to design the videos or posters to make so. Okay, now if we see what are the advantages of internet advertising or electronic advertising. If we see advantages of e-advertising means extensive coverage, large capacity information, strong interaction with sensory, real time and long lasting unity, accurate delivery goals and non compulsory transfer information. What is extensive coverage? Network connection with computers worldwide. It is a global network of large and small throughout the world in accordance with a variety of unified communication protocols consisting of information transmission network. Means extensive coverage means not only the size of the business, whether it will be a small business or a bigger business, the products which are manufactured by the business organization that has to coverage all the customers globally. Okay, it should not be located to single part of area. If you say large capacity information, capacity to provide information on the most internet companies is unrestricted. Business or advertising agencies can provide equivalent of thousands of pages of advertising information and instructions without having to worry every minute of the second increase on the expensive traditional means advertising cost. Means large capacity information. If you are advertising, there are no restrictions for information which has to be provided for your product. You can have a single page of information and you can have a multiple page of information and you can have a hundreds or thousands of pages of information, okay, for your advertising. And we can say that under certain circumstances the cost for storing banner ads on other sites and pay for companies can increase without limit advertising information which in the traditional media cannot be imagined. Means some advertising can be taken place in some another websites. Means companies not only in the company's website, this advertisement can also be taken place in the another company's websites also. Okay. Now, strong interaction with sensory. Online advertising career is basically a multimedia hypertext format. As long as the audience interested in a certain kind of product, you can tap the mouse further to know more, much more detailed and vivid information so that consumer can personally experience products, services and brand. As virtual reality and other new technologies to online advertising immerse experience for customers such as goods and services and to book online, trading and settlement will greatly enhance the effectiveness of online advertising. Means here all the products and services should provide the exact information. Many technologies are there to interact with the customers. Means sensory means what? Intellectual, physical part. Means strong interaction with the sensory. Interaction should be there with the intellectual people, you can say. And real time and long lasting unity. Internet media has the right to change the function of information. Companies can make changes at any time according to need advertisement information. 24 hours warehouse industry can adjust product prices, product information. You can instantly get the latest product information. Dissemination to consumer and online media can also be long-term preservation. Advertising information, enterprise establishment for the product website, you can remain waiting for consumer inquiries, enabling real-time and persistence unit. Means in real time customer has to wait for the products which he has delivered, right? So, and long lasting unity means there is no loss of anything, means everything is unity here. Next, accurate delivery goods. The accuracy of online advertising includes two aspects. One is corporate advertising target market. For the accuracy of the network is actually one of a group composed of members of these organizations tend to have common hobbies and interests. Okay, means if the internet is the need to pay, when consumers browse the site, select the advertising information will only really interested in, so to reach the high accuracy of the information, online advertisement audience site. Means accurate delivery goals, means exactly to whom the goods has to be delivered, that should be accurately maintained. Okay, accurate means exactly. If you see non-compulsory transfer information, as we all know, newspaper ads, magazine ads, TV ads, radio ads, outdoor advertising and is a compulsive medium. All you have to do everything possible to attract visual and auditory. Forced explanation into your brain. The online advertising belongs on demand advertising. Newspaper classified ads with the nature need not to completely view, which can be freely inquiry will focus on looking for information presented to you, thus saving time and avoiding ineffective passive attention. Non-compulsory transfer information means you have to understand each and every concept related to the product. Means it is information, but you have to understand, you have to analyze the product details and description of the product. These are the advantages of e-commerce, e-advertising. If you see disadvantages of e-advertising, visitors to their online advertising filtered. Means some visitors simply do not want to see, let alone have report responses. The situation is similar to other media. Only a handful of consumers will buy your product. But what was it? Key is to be able to cancel. The part of the report information is passed to the consumer. The biggest difficulty lies in selecting the right online advertising target markets. Otherwise, it is difficult to bring about the final ad buying behavior. Means who can access your product? Visitors to their online advertising filtered. Only the filtered customers can access your product. Okay. Now, network technology to filter the ads. There are various technologies on the hand. For the advertising network itself provides more space, opportunities, tools, and the origin of internet culture itself is commercialism. So there have been some network software and tools will plant a report as a network of cultural tricks filter out. In doing online advertising company, be sure to verify that the target market has a tendency to extreme version to commercial advertising, whether the use of these filters online advertising tool. And if you see next, lack of skills and marketing skills. Here network technology to filter the ads means what? Many technologies are there to filter the ads by the browser itself. Next, lack of skills and marketing skills. Many ads cannot reach all the customers. Why? Because there is a lack of skills. Okay, and how that advertisement has to reach, there is no particular paradigm. Okay, they cannot select the customers. For unnecessary customers also, they will show that ads. Okay, the ads and links will be displayed on each and every consumer. There is no use, right? Only the appropriate customers, if we see, who are willing to buy, they can only buy the products. Next, online advertising marketing personal requirements are higher than other media. Compared to online advertising, it can almost be seen as a microcosm of the entire marketing, which involves how to attract customers to interact with the customers, which is a traditional advertising to customers impressed goals have to go very far. In short, online advertising requires marketers integrated use of traditional advertising performance practices, providing information in the use of soft methods of marketing and network marketing techniques. Means online advertising marketing personal requirements are higher than other media. Means the requirements which has to be needed for online advertising marketing should be different from the other media of advertising. Okay, means this is the physical media of advertising. Okay, so this is the disadvantages of e-advertising. We will see searching this in the next class. Okay, thank you. I will provide notes for you. Go through the points and read the notes.